A bare dollar amount on a donation button is abstract. Per amount images, new in Charitable Pro 1.817, pair each amount with a picture of its impact. Find them in the Campaign Builder under Settings, then Donation Options in a new image column. Adding an image takes a single click. On any amount, choose Add Image and pick a photo from your media library. A $25 gift plants a tree, so we choose a tree in the park. We do the same for the walking trails, the new bench, and a whole section of the park. Images are completely optional and set per amount. Any amount you leave without one simply renders the way it always has. Every amount's description becomes the caption for its image. Write what the gift does, not the number. Sponsors a section of the park says far more than a number could. The idea fits any cause, from groceries to clean water to a rescued animal's care. Most forms also let donors enter their own amount. Give that option a picture too, with the custom amount image. Now the other choice feels just as considered as the rest. When everything looks right, save your donation options. You can also choose how the amounts are arranged. Over in the Form panel, select the Donation Amounts field and find the Layout setting. Default lays the amounts out in a grid with the image featured above them. Row places them in a single line that wraps neatly on smaller screens. We will keep the default grid here since it gives the image the most room and save. Here is the live donation form. The image sits above the amounts and cross-fades as the donor moves between them. $25 shows the tree, $100 the bench, $250 the park. A few quick tips. Keep images a consistent style, compressed so the form stays fast. And skip any image that only repeats the number. And here is the row layout on the live form. The amounts line up in a single row with the image and its caption right above. It is a clean, compact look that still wraps gracefully on a phone. Whichever layout you choose, do not forget the custom amount image. Give your donors something to picture and watch it help them give. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.